Hello friends, COVID-19 is well on its way to become a global folklore. Now, why I'm saying this? There is a reason for that. After 5 years from now on, everyone will have something to add to the main storyline and it will become an epic like Mahabharat. Ever since the pandemic started, you have been seeing several experts, hundreds and thousands of them, coming onto the television sets, social media, giving their valuable opinions, advices, and feedbacks. No one is sure about any damn thing, but everyone poses himself as an ultimate authority over the subject. Ironically, everyone is proving oneself wrong over the period of next 2 to 3 months. Look at the different characters introduced at different stages. Look at what happened to HCQS, a drug used for malarial fever and also in autoimmune disorders, projected as being the one to prevent COVID-19. Well, you know how well we could do that. In fact, those who are suffering from autoimmune disease had to go without this otherwise commonly available drug for months at a stretch. Azithromycin and doxycycline, both antibiotics. Nobody is in favor of prescribing them, but everyone is prescribing them, and pharmaceuticals made hay on the sale of these two non-consequential drugs. Zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D3 are being promoted as immunoboosters. Voila, give me a break, as if immunity can be boosted in 15 days. Rome is not built in a day, and they say that for a reason. Then came Favipiravir, an antiviral drug devised for influenza. There are contradictory studies available for its efficacy in COVID, but it is used as if there is nothing to look beyond. Then, of course, there is Remdesivir, the drug that was originally found for Ebola in 2014. This was the drug that stopped Ebola from going pandemic. The whole world should be grateful to this drug for that. This medicine was lying on the shelf since then. Its importance was suddenly revived during this pandemic. And despite WHO's constant pleas not to use it in the hospital setups, regardless the severity of the disease, here in India, we behave as if we have found the life elixir in Remdesivir. The only thing that saved lives during these times were timely oxygen, blood thinners, and steroids. Ironically, they are all the old timers. WhatsApp and other digital media were instrumental in spreading the myths surrounding disease. The whole media is so saturated with the self-made story that now no one knows what to believe. Remember that story? The boy who cried wolf. Then the panic set in. Hospital beds were booked by the economically sound people. The needy or poor couldn't find hospital beds. The artificial gap between supply and demand was created, oxygen being the main victim. On one side, the national economy raised its need. Millions of people have lost their job. And on the other side, some vultures in the society were making hay, busy fleecing the victims of their hard-earned money. The saga continues. India has become a laughing stock in the world, but we still refuse to accept that the problem lies with us. People are dying, but then few millions won't make a difference in a country of 40, 100 million, at least for the electoral prospects. No one is ready to own the responsibility. Finger pointing continues. Apart from the logistics involved in oxygen delivery, the only thing the administration should have done was to concentrate on vaccination. We should have financed our own companies to produce more vaccines. As an alternative, we could have asked for vaccines from other vaccine producing nations. This pandemic deserved a better event management. Once the vaccines are available in sufficient quantity, inoculation is not a big task. The general practitioners like me should have been entrusted with the job, and believe me, nobody would have refused it. Unfortunately, nothing of the sort was done. Until date, only 3% Indians have been fully vaccinated. 97% are still at the mercy of coronavirus. And we all have a short memory. Everything will be forgotten and forgiven in next few years. And we will have some interesting stories to tell to our grandchildren. Proud to be an Indian. Thanks for watching.